If you are standing by a crystal clear lake, surrounded by lush green mountains, with the sunlight shimmering on the water's surface, what word would you use to describe it? Here's a great Chinese idiom for you. 湖光山色. It's often used to describe scenic beauty, a place so picturesque that it feels like a traditional Chinese painting. 湖, lake. And look at this stunning view. 光, light. Just like how the sunlight dances on the water, giving us that perfect Instagram glow. 山, mountain. The majestic peaks rising up in the distance. 色, color. And look at this vibrant palette. The greens, the blues, it's like nature's art. So many shades. I don't even know which one is my favorite. So how do you use it?
千岛湖的湖光山色真是美不胜收。
美不胜收 means there's so much beauty, you can't even take it all in. Like, I think I'm about to overload on nature. Do you like it here? It's like stepping into a living postcard. Of course, I might need a filter for myself, but the view here definitely doesn't. Next time, don't forget to use 湖光山色 and 美不胜收 when describing your favorite spots. I'm sure your Chinese friends will be super impressed